So over here you can see that I have this particular article and this is quite hard to understand. So now what you can actually do is you can copy out this text and then give it to DeepSeek right here just like this and simply say simplify this content so that a fifth grader can understand it. So if I can go ahead and do this right here as well. So now once I go ahead and send this out, what happens is that it examines the content and then gives you a simpler explanation just like this, as you can see. So now it says a quantum computer is like a special kind of computer that uses rules of quantum mechanics, which is science of how really tiny things like atoms and particles behave. In quantum world, things can act like both particles and wave, and quantum computers use this weird behavior to calculate in a totally new way. So you got this really complex information, and you can simplify this out just like this, as you can see. You can go around and say simplify more, and then it'll give you a more simple version if you still are having a hard time to understand it. So you can see that this is what you have. It gave a more simple explanation of it just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and simplify out complex information using DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.